Automation has allowed factories to produce products at a far greater rate than ever before, from packaging to automatically sorting objects and speedily reshaping tough materials. Get ready to witness the mesmerizing world of factory machines that are not only efficient, but also strangely satisfying to watch. Join me, we're going to take a look at 15 of the most satisfying factory machines. Number 15. Injection Molding Machine. Injection molding machines, which are also known as injection presses, play a vital role in the manufacturing industry, and they enable production of a wide range of plastic products both quickly and reliably. They have completely changed the face of the process of injecting molten plastics into molds, and they significantly increase production capacity and cost effectiveness. The machine itself is a complex piece of equipment that's designed to melt plastic pellets and then inject them into a mold to create a specific shape. The process begins with the plastic pellets being fed into a heated barrel, where they're melted down by the injection unit's reciprocating screw. Once the molten plastic reaches the desired temperature and consistency, the injection unit pushes into the mold under high pressure, while ensuring that it fills all the mold cavities completely. The main advantage of using an injection molding machine is that they're able to produce large quantities of products that are identical. The automated nature of these machines allows for a fast cycle time and enables manufacturers to achieve high production volumes in a relatively short time. The injection molding process ensures that each product is replicated exactly, eliminating any variations and ensuring uniformity across the entire production run, which is something that's crucial in industries such as automotive, medical, and electronics, where quality standards are stringent and lives could be at risk if there are any discrepancies. Injection molding machines are also very versatile, as the molds they use can be customized to create complex shapes, intricate details, and precise dimensions. This adaptability allows manufacturers to produce a diverse array of products with the same machine, from small and intricate components to large and durable parts. And they can work with various types of plastic materials, including thermoplastics, elastomers, and engineered plastics, offering further choice based on the requirements of the end product. There's an argument, too, that injection molding machines have increased the sustainability and environmental credentials of using plastic products because they allow operators to precisely control the amount of material that's injected and significantly reduce the amount of waste. Number 14. Carpet Weaving Machine. Carpets, they've been made for thousands of years, but the once laborious process has been completely overhauled by the introduction of automated machines that can take care of the more complicated and repetitive aspects. They're typically made up of several components: a loom, a warp beam, a weft insertion mechanism, and a control system. The loom holds the warp threads in place, while the warp beam provides tension for the yarn. The weft insertion mechanism inserts the weft arm and creates the interlaced patterns, and the control system governs the machine's operation and pattern selection. The main benefit of carpet weaving machines is their ability to produce carpets with exceptional speed and efficiency, as the process eliminates the need for manual labor, resulting in faster production times compared to traditional hand weaving. With the ability to work continuously, carpet weaving machines can produce large quantities of carpets in a short period, meeting demands of commercial and residential markets. But there are still manual roles involved, so factories with a high output still provide a large number of jobs. The other benefit of using machines like these is that they produce precise and consistent results and ensure high-quality carpets. The automated process means that each stitch and pattern is replicated exactly, which eliminates human errors and variations that may happen in hand weaving. This level of precision is important in intricate carpet designs that require meticulous attention to detail, and the result is carpets that are uniform in texture, color, and pattern. They're also incredibly versatile in terms of designs that they can produce, as they're able to create a wide range of patterns and textures, with manufacturers simply needing to upload a new program and load the correctly colored fabric. From traditional motifs to contemporary designs, carpet weaving machines offer endless possibilities for customization and allows companies to produce carpets that meet specific market trends, customer demands, and even customized orders. Number 13. Bottle Filling Machine. One of the best machines to watch in a factory is a bottle filling machine, which, since they've been introduced, have completely changed the packaging industry. Designed to efficiently and accurately fill bottles of various shapes and sizes with liquids such as beverages, cosmetics, cleaning solutions, and pharmaceuticals, they combine a series of elements into a fast and easy process. The bottles are typically loaded onto a conveyor system that moves them through the machine, where the filling operation involves the precise control of liquid flow to ensure accurate and consistent volume for each one. The machines may use various technologies such as gravity filling, volumetric filling, or pressure filling, depending on the specific requirements of the product and the desired fill accuracy. These machines can fill bottles at high speeds, accommodating large production lines and improving overall throughput. And with such a control of liquid flow, each bottle is filled to the exact desired level, which reduces product waste. The machines also offer versatility in handling a wide range of bottle sizes, shapes, and closure types. They can be easily adjusted or programmed to accommodate different bottle specs, and allowing manufacturers to switch between those product lines or customize package options at the push of a button. This is valuable to companies where product variations and customization are common, such as the beverage or personal care industries. Bottle filling machines like these also contribute to improved hygiene and cleanliness in the production process, as they're designed with features that minimize the risk of contamination, such as closed-loop filling systems and sanitary connections. The automated filling process reduces the need for manual handling, reducing the risk of product contamination from human contact, which is something that's especially important in industries such as food and pharmaceuticals, where strict hygiene standards must be upheld. Number 12. Vegetable washer. Veggies, they're arguably the most important and nutritious part of any balanced and healthy diet. But the process of growing them from seeds to the ones you see on store shelves can be a complicated one. Of course, it takes months for farmers to grow them to the required size and for them to ripen, and they're often harvested by huge machines that can detach them from their vines or even lift them out from beneath the ground. When you do this, though, the veggies are normally covered in dirt, and while a lot of people would see this as a sign of freshness and happily wash them at home, most stores have found that customers tend to pick the cleanest ones from the shelves in the first place. This means there's usually an extra step to wash the produce, and not only does this remove any dirt, but it also takes off any remaining chemicals that were used during farming and any insects that may be present too. This machine is called a brush industrial washing machine, and it begins by separating the veggies as they're lifted up on the conveyor. Each one is treated carefully so it isn't damaged and passed into the washing area, where it's then sprayed with water and rolled around on soft brushes to ensure every rogue particle is removed. Machines like this can clean a range of different veggies and fruits such as tomatoes, apples, and potatoes, plus carrots, and they substantially reduce the time it would have previously taken to do it by hand. Number 11. Punch press. A punch press is a powerful machine commonly used in the manufacturing industry to shape and form metal sheets or other materials. They utilize the force of a mechanical or hydraulic press to create holes, cutouts, or various shapes in the workpiece, and offer a number of advantages, such as high productivity, precision, and versatility, which makes them essential equipment in metal fabrication plants. The main component of a punch press is the punch and die set. The punch is a hardened tool that applies force to the workpiece, while the die is a corresponding shape that provides support and guides the material. When the punch and die come together, they create the desired shape by shearing off or compressing the material. Punch press can be designed for a wide range of operations such as punching, blanking, embossing, coining, and forming. As all these parts are highly durable, these machines are capable of performing rapid and repetitive operations, making them ideal for mass production. With proper tooling and setup, these punch presses can produce a large number of parts in a short amount of time, significantly improving and reducing production costs. This level of productivity makes punch presses a preferred choice for industries such as automotive, appliances, and electronics. Accuracy is another important benefit of machines like these, as the use of precision-engineered punches and dies ensures perfection when creating holes, cutouts, or shapes with tight tolerances. This level of precision is crucial in industries where components fit together seamlessly or need to be replaced. And with advanced control systems and computerized numerical control capabilities, modern punch presses can achieve high repeatability, ensuring consistent quality throughout the production process. Number 10. Shrink wrapping machines. Shrink wrapping machines, they're hugely useful in the packaging industry as they offer a quick way to securely wrap products or pallets with plastic film. They use heat to shrink the film tightly around the items, which creates a protective and professional-looking covering. This in turn improves product protection and aesthetics and keeps it looking factory fresh once it's been delivered to stores. The process of shrink wrapping begins with the item or items being placed on a platform or conveyor belt. The machine then encloses the product or pallet with a layer of shrink film that's then heated, either through hot air or heat tunnels, causing it to shrink and conform tightly around the item. The heat process also eliminates any wrinkles or loose areas, resulting in a neat and visually appealing package. The tight seal created by the shrink film acts as a barrier against moisture, dust, and other contaminants, ensuring that the product remains in optimal condition during storage, transport, and display, as well as helping to prevent damage, tampering, or spoilage. As well as protection and the overall look, shrink-wrapping machines also help to increase productivity. They can wrap products or pallets rapidly and consistently, and are cost-effective in terms of material usage. This cost-effectiveness makes shrink-wrapping an economical choice for manufacturers looking to optimize their packaging operations. Number 9. Ytterbium Fiber Laser. With significant improvements in technology, lasers can now be used for a wide variety of purposes, and there are a number of different types that can be used, such as carbon dioxide lasers that can etch markings into metals, or ones that use different chemicals to create a much stronger laser. Right now, the most powerful in the world that's not being used by a military is the Ytterbium fiber laser at the Manufacturing Technology Center in Annecy in the UK. Ytterbium is a rare earth element, and this laser was specifically created for the facility to offer manufacturing ability that's intended to help British businesses compete with the rest of the world. The beam it emits can be up to 20 kilowatts in strength, and it's fitted to a 6-axis handling robot that's controlled by the central processing unit. Displays show the current action of the robot, how much power is being used, and the status of all the safety mechanisms, with every small detail being constantly monitored to ensure efficient operation. Amazingly, the laser is able to cut pieces that weigh up to 5 tons and will burn through steel that's several inches thick. Designs can be pre-programmed, and it offers a level of precision that's unobtainable with other cutting machines. With the ability to create huge custom pieces in a fraction of the time it would have taken before, the laser has transformed the company's capabilities and is now in high demand from all areas of industry. Number 8. Press brakes. Press brakes. They're an important machine in the metalworking industry, where they're used to bend and shape sheet metal with precision and accuracy. They use hydraulic or mechanical force to apply pressure on the workpiece and enable precise bending and forming operations. A press brake consists of a hydraulic or mechanical system that's used to generate force, and a bending tool, which is usually known as a die, that's mounted on a movable ram. The sheet metal is positioned between the die and the bed, and when the ram descends, it applies force to the metal, causing it to bend to the desired angle. Press brakes can be equipped with various tools and accessories to accommodate different bending requirements, such as die shapes, sizes, and specialized tools for complex bends. The clear benefit is that they make it easy to produce precise bends, with the force applied by these machines being finely controlled for consistent results. With the addition of a modern control system and computer numerical control capabilities, press brakes offer high levels of accuracy and repeatability and ensure each bend is reliably performed. Press brakes can work with a range of materials and thicknesses, so it can be used to bend various types of metals, including steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and brass, as well as non-metallic metals like plastic and other composite materials. By selecting the appropriate tooling and adjusting the parameters, these machines can produce a wide range of components and parts. Amazingly, with the addition of extra components, they can also perform complex bending operations such as air bending, bottoming, coining, and radius bending. This flexibility allows manufacturers to produce intricate parts and components with different bend angles, shapes, and dimensions, meeting diverse requirements. Furthermore, with their high-speed operation and rapid setup times, these machines enable faster bending cycles and reduce production times than was ever before possible, which has resulted in improved efficiencies and cost savings for manufacturers and far more availability and choice for consumers. Number 7. Automated guided vehicles. If you visit any large warehouse around the world, the chances are that you'll see a series of automated guided vehicles at work. And it's amazing to see their synchronized movements that have revolutionized inventory management in recent years and offer increased efficiency, flexibility, and safety. These self-guided mobile robots are designed to transport goods and materials within a facility autonomously, following predetermined paths or responding to real-time commands. To do this, they're equipped with advanced sensing technologies such as lasers, cameras, or magnetic guidance systems that enable them to navigate their environment safely and efficiently. They can detect and avoid obstacles, follow specific paths or markers, and even interact with other machinery or humans. This autonomy allows them to perform material handling tasks without the need for constant human intervention, freeing up valuable human resources for other activities. The vehicles can operate around the clock, tirelessly performing repetitive tasks without the need for breaks or rest periods other than to be recharged, and they can be reprogrammed to optimize routes and task sequences to minimize travel distances and reduce time wastage. By automating material transportation and reducing manual handling like this, they streamline processes, eliminate bottlenecks, and increase overall productivity. Once the system's been installed, automated guided vehicles can easily be reprogrammed or reconfigured to accommodate new layouts, tasks, or production lines. The vehicle can handle various types of loads, from pallets and containers to smaller parts, and can be equipped with different attachments or lifting mechanisms to suit specific requirements. A major benefit of their use, though, is how they've improved workplace safety. By automating material transportation, they reduce the risks associated with manual handling and heavy lifting, and they minimize the potential for injuries in workers. They are equipped with advanced safety features such as proximity sensors and emergency stop mechanisms to ensure safety of both the vehicles themselves and the personnel working in their vicinity. Another feature that's beneficial to companies that use vehicles like this is they offer real-time data collection and integration capability, which provides valuable insights into material flow, inventory management, and process optimization. Through the use of advanced control systems and connectivity with other production warehouse management systems, they can communicate and exchange information, allowing for better coordination and synchronization of material handling. This data-driven approach enables manufacturers to make informed decisions, identify issues, and implement continuous improvement strategies. Number 6. Powder Coating System. The powder coating system, they're an extremely useful component in manufacturing industries, as they offer a durable and attractive finish to a wide range of products. These systems use an electrostatic process to apply powdered paint particles to a surface, creating a protective coating that's resistant to chipping, scratching, and fading. The process begins with the application of finely ground pigment and resin particles, known as powder coating, to the surface of the item to be coated. The powder particles are electrostatically charged, which causes them to adhere to the surface in an even and uniform manner. After the powder is applied, the item is then heated in an oven, causing the particles to melt, flow, and fuse together, which forms a smooth and continuous coating. This cured powder coating offers a resilient and long-lasting finish that's resistant to wear, chemicals, UV radiation, and extreme weather conditions, and ensures that the coated products maintain their appearance and functionality over an extended period, reducing the need for frequent repairs or recoating. Systems like these provide versatility in terms of the range of materials and finishes they can accommodate, and can be used to coat various materials including metal, wood, plastics, and composites. They offer a wide range of colors, textures, and finishes, allowing manufacturers to achieve the desired look and meet specific product requirements. Powder coating systems can create smooth, glossy finishes, as well as textured or matte surfaces. And without the need for solvents or volatile organic compounds, they are far safer to work with than the alternatives. Number 5. Water jet cutters. Water jet cutters are seriously amazing machines that use high-pressure streams of water mixed with abrasive materials to precisely cut through a wide range of materials. These systems have gained popularity in various industries, including manufacturing, aerospace, automotive, and architectural, due to their ability to deliver clean, precise cuts without heat-affected zones or material distortion that are risks associated with using traditional cutting blades. Water jet cutters work by using pressurized water to incredibly high levels, typically between 30,000 to 90,000 psi. This high pressure is then forced through a small hole, which creates the narrow stream that's directed towards the material it's going to cut. To further enhance the ability of doing this, abrasive materials such as garnet are added to the water stream, with the abrasive particles in the water jet effectively eroding and cutting through the material and achieving accurate and detailed cuts. This method makes it possible to cut a wide range of substances with exceptional precision, and it can be used to cut through materials like metals, including steel, aluminum, and titanium, as well as ceramics, stone, glass, composites, and even rubber or plastics. Whether it's intricate designs, thick materials, or delicate components, water jet cutters provide a high level of accuracy, allowing for far more complex shapes than alternatives could. Unlike other cutting methods, water jet cutters produce clean and burr-free edges, as the cutting process doesn't generate warmth. This makes the water jet cutting particularly ideal for materials that are sensitive to heat, such as plastics or heat-treated metals. These cutters are also pretty versatile, as they can cut materials of varying thicknesses, ranging from thin foils to several inches thick. The cutting speed can be adjusted to suit the material and the desired level of precision, and they can be used for both 2D and 3D cutting, allowing for complicated shapes and contours. Furthermore, with the absence of tooling or physical contact with the material, it minimizes the risk of damage, which makes the process suitable for delicate materials. As an added benefit, water jet cutters are generally considered to be environmentally friendly, with the cutting process producing minimal waste and not producing harmful fumes or gases. The water used in the process can be recycled and reused, which reduces water consumption, and the absence of hazardous materials or chemicals is also beneficial because it creates a safer and cleaner work environment. Number 4. Robotic Arms. Robotic arms, they've revolutionized the manufacturing industry, providing increased efficiency, precision, and flexibility in various operations. Designed to perform a wide range of tasks from simple repetitive actions to complex maneuvers while being quick and accurate, it's amazing to watch them work. They're completely programmable machines that mimic human arm movements and can be equipped with attachments that allow them to handle and manipulate different materials and objects. In modern factories, they're commonly employed for tasks such as welding, assembly, painting, packaging, and material handling, with the ability to automate those processes offering cost and time savings benefits to manufacturers. The main benefit of using them is, of course, increased productivity because they're able to work around the clock while being just as effective towards the end of a project as they were at the start. With their rapid and efficient movements, they're also able to perform tasks in a fraction of the time it would take a human worker, resulting in higher output. The use of robotic arms has also improved the quality and consistency of manufacturing, as their precise movements mean each task is performed with minimal errors or variations. This greatly reduces the chance of defects, especially in the fabrication of complex electrical components. Another significant benefit of using robotic arms is they're able to handle hazardous materials or perform tasks that would be potentially dangerous for humans. Many industrial processes involve working with toxic substances, extreme temperatures, or heavy loads, and by delegating those to robotic arms, manufacturers can protect their employees. These arms are great for repetitive tasks that may cause strain or fatigue in humans, ensuring consistent performance without compromising on quality. The ability to be reprogrammed and adapt to different tasks provides manufacturers with the agility to quickly adjust production lines according to changing demands, which enables factories to optimize their resources, reduce costs, and remain competitive. Of course, their use has been controversial because they've been replacing roles that would typically be done by humans, but many companies argue that these workers are actually still required to either oversee the work of the arms or to be redeployed elsewhere on more complex tasks that the arms aren't suitable to do. Number 3. Jelly Bean Machine. In a typical year, around 16 billion jelly beans will be bought and consumed by Americans, a sign that they're surely some of the best sugary treats available. Even though they're small, each one of these beans is made individually, and you may be surprised at how intensive a process their manufacture is. To start with, the jelly bean mixture is made up. The ingredients for each type are the same up until a point, but the large part of the syrupy liquid is the colorings and flavorings that are specific to each flavor of bean. This is poured into a vat where it's churned and heated until it reaches the ideal consistency. And once it is, the machine drops tiny dollops of the mixture into jelly bean molds that pass beneath it. Each of these molds have space for 1,000 jelly beans, and they'll be stacked in batches of 45 molds before being taken to cool. Once they have done, the molds are emptied into a rotary drum that spins the beans to ensure they're smooth all over, and then deposits them back onto a conveyor. From here, they're sorted and oriented into jelly bean-sized grooves so they can each be individually stamped with the company's logo. Once that's happened, the jelly bean is finished, but no one wants to buy a pack with just one flavor, so the same thing's been happening all over the factory with different types and flavors, and the final stage is where they're all mixed together before being packaged. Now, in a blaze of color, a range of different flavors are carefully weighed and pushed into each box, which is then sealed and sent for shipping. Number 2. Capping Machine. Capping machines play an important role in the packaging industry by securely sealing containers with caps or closures. They automate the capping process, ensuring efficiency, accuracy, safety, and consistency in sealing the final product, and are widely used in industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and chemical manufacturing. Designed to handle a variety of cap types, including screw caps, snap-on caps, press-on caps, and more, and the specific type of capping machine used depends on the closure style and their requirements. These are typically equipped with adjustable mechanisms to accommodate different cap sizes and shapes, to offer versatility and choice of caps that are ultimately going to be used. The primary function of a capping machine is to securely seal containers to prevent leakage, maintain product freshness, and provide tamper evidence. The machine places the cap onto a container and applies the necessary force to tighten it. Some use torque control systems that ensure consistent and precise application of the caps, which adds a level of control that guarantees each container is sealed properly, and it reduces the risk of product spoilage. Beyond the product protection and safety element, the clear benefit of using machines like this is that they significantly increase production capacity. They can cap containers at high speeds, resulting in faster production rates, which reduce costs and improve profitability. Capping machines also ensure product quality and customer satisfaction. The consistent and uniform application of caps eliminates variations in sealing tightness, which provides consumers with a consistent experience. They can easily be integrated into existing production lines, and so they offer seamless integration and compatibility with other packaging machinery, such as filling machines, labeling machines, and other equipment to create a continuous and efficient process. Number 1. Sorting machine. Factories often have to find a way to sort large quantities of raw materials, or the final products that are produced, and to do this they'll use a kind of sorting machine. Designed to automate the process of identifying, separating, and directing items to their designated locations or production lines, they use advanced technologies such as sensors, cameras, and automated mechanisms to identify and sort anything that passes through. They can quickly analyze various attributes such as size, shape, weight, color, or barcode information, and they make decisions based on predefined sets of rules. The sorted items are then directed to the appropriate bins, containers, or conveyor belts for further processing or distribution. They're able to sort items at high speeds, far surpassing the speed at which manual sorting can be performed, and the sensors and vision systems integrated into these machines can detect and analyze items with a much higher accuracy. This allows companies to allocate human resources to other more complex tasks, such as quality control, maintenance, or process optimization, which further increases efficiency. One of the most important industries that sorting machines like these have become vital in is recycling facilities, where household waste is sent to be repurposed. Inevitably, some objects that can't be used are mixed in with the rest, and if these made their way into the recycling process, it could potentially ruin an entire batch. With sorting machines, these rogue elements can be detected and removed in an instant. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you to our channel members.